English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome back to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Neil. Hello, everybody.
So, Neil, word round the office is that you had quite an exciting weekend.
That I did. I went away this weekend to do some rock climbing.
How exciting. I didn't think that would be your kind of thing.
What are you saying, Feifei? That I'm not in good shape? Okay, fair point. It has been a long time since I've been rock climbing, but I used to go all the time. I may not have the stamina anymore, but I still have the technique. It was like riding a bike.
What? You rode a bike while climbing? Or did you carry the bike up with you? What are you talking about, Neil?
No, I was struggling to pull myself up the rocks, never mind a bike. What I meant is that it's a skill I will always have and always remember.
So, we can say it's like riding a bike, to mean that once you learn how to do something, you never forget it. Let's take a look at some more examples.
Though it's been a while since I made a video, I managed to do it easily. It was like riding a bike.
I used to do a lot of baking with my mother as a child, and recently I've got back into it. It's like riding a bike, really.
I know it's been a long time since you've done any knitting, but honestly, it's like riding a bike.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the phrase, it's like riding a bike. It's used when we want to say that once you learn how to do something, you never forget it. So Neil said that rock climbing, an activity he used to do all the time, was like riding a bike.
That's right, Feifei. It was difficult because it was tiring, but I remembered with ease how to tie the ropes and all the best techniques. The idea is that once you've learnt to do something once, like riding a bike, you will never forget that skill.
Well, it seems that setting up the studio is not like riding a bike for you, Neil. The volume in my headphones is way too loud.
Oh dear, I think I'd best get away from here as fast as I can before Feifei gets really mad. Where's my bike? Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Bye-bye.
The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
You've just been watching a video from BBC Learning English. Really hope you liked it. If you did, why not subscribe so you see all the videos that we release? If you want to see more of what we've got, just click on the link down here. You see all the videos we've got. They're great. Click. Go on.